SV Union High School and Junior College welcomes you children. The Three Visions for India is the name of the lesson from Standard 8 English 2.4 which we are going to learn today. Let's begin with the word meanings. Acknowledge, show recognition of. Bombardments, continuous attack with bombs or other missiles. Conquer means to acquire by force or use of arms. Development, growth and progress. Globally recognized means noticed and accepted all over the world. Gory, involving bloodshed and violence. Granary, a storehouse for threshold grains. Gross domestic product, which is known as GDP, means the total value of all goods and services produced domestically in a country during a year. Imported means goods and services brought from abroad into a country for sale. Invade means attack. Nurture means develop, support and encourage. Obsessed with, preoccupied with. Orchid, exotic flower. Next word, proclaim means declare confidently to all. Potential, capacity or ability. Remote sensing satellites means man-made satellites launched into space for communication, weather and forecast purpose. Self-assured means confident in one's own abilities and character. Self-driving means controlling oneself. Self-reliant, self-dependent. Self-sustaining means continue in a healthy state without outside assistance. Standing up to means being brave and facing challenges and confronting. Took over means took the authority of. Validated means confirmed with proof. Vision, a dream, an ideal. Children, let's begin learning this lesson, the Three Visions for India. Actually, this lesson is a part of a very famous speech that was delivered by Dr. APJ Kalam at IIT Hyderabad on 25th May 2011. Here he outlines his three visions for his motherland India. And he also at the same time pleads, he requests, he appeals the Indians to get involved in the nation building process to make India a developed nation. So children, let's start reading this lesson. APJ Kalam, the father of India's integrated guided missile program, states three visions for India based on the achievements and progress that he has witnessed in the history of the nation and during his own career as a missile scientist. Dr. APJ Kalam's three visions for India are freedom, development, and standing up. The focus of his presentation is on developing India to its fullest potential while standing up to the rest of the world with fully validated self-respect for the achievements that have been obtained in the modern times. So children, we need to understand that this lesson is taken as an extract from his inaugural speech that was delivered by him at the Indian Institute of Technology. And this lesson throws light upon the manner in which he envisions the future of India. He enlists those three visions, freedom, development and standing up to the world. Let's read next paragraph. He says, if we are not free, no one will respect us. He says, I have three visions for India. In 3,000 years of our history, people from all over the world have come and invaded us, captured our land and conquered our minds. From Alexander onwards, the Greeks, the Portuguese, the British, the French, the Dutch, all of them came and looted us and took over what was ours. Yet we have not done this to any other nation. We have not conquered anyone. We have not grabbed their land, their culture and their history, nor tried to force our way of life on them. Why? Because we respect the freedom of others. So, as a missile scientist, Dr. Kalam was able to witness the transformation of India up close. India's progress and achievements have made him positive about the development and the utilization of great potential in the country. So he talks about the many rulers and invaders in the past 3000 years of our history who came to India with the sole purpose of capture, invasion and plunder. In spite of this treatment at their hands, the Indians never treated any country to such a similar fate. Dr. Kalam believed that this was because we hold inherent respect for the freedom of others. Next paragraph. That is why my first vision for India is freedom. I believe that India had its first vision of freedom in 1857 when we started the War of Independence. It is this freedom that we must protect and nurture and build on. If we are not free, no one will respect us. So here Dr. Kalam says, because he envisioned an India enriched with a similar sense of freedom. So he says his first vision for India is freedom. And he believed that in order for others to respect us, first of all, we need to be completely free. At the same time, he says that he believes that India had its first vision of freedom in 1857 because that was the time, children, and I think so we all have studied this chapter in our history this year, right? So we know that for the first time among the Indians, the spark, the spirit of independence was being seen when this Indian War of Independence of 1857 started. That was for the first time that Indians felt that they must attain freedom, and that was the most important thing for them to achieve. Children, we have completed learning the words, word meanings and 3 paragraphs given on page number 40. We will continue learning the remaining lesson in the next video session. Thank you.